hope you're all okay. Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video I thought I would do a little holiday prep, pack with me kind of video basically. So me and mum go away in 4 days, and so basically tonight I'm getting my nails done. They are long overdue. Look, these are from January. So we're getting nails done, I'm getting my eyebrows done, they're in desperate need, and I'm getting some waxing done. So I just thought I would do a little holiday prep vlog. I've never done one of these before, so I'm gonna take you with me to that, and then tomorrow I need to start packing. We're taking hand luggage only. Pray for me, because I'm literally the world's biggest overpacker. I will take everything, so that's going to be interesting in itself. So yeah, never done one of these before. Thought we could spend the next few days together. Let me just show you my brows. I'm really exposing myself here. Look, can you just see how like bushy they are? They're in desperate need. I don't know what colour to go for on my nails. Maybe like a light pink, kind of like more springy vibes. Yeah, I don't know. This was like a darker pink, but I think like maybe light pink. That's what I'm going to go for. I don't know. Let's have a little look. And also, by the way, it's hair wash day. Or it should be hair wash day, but I'm going to save it till tomorrow. So my hair, we've got a greasy little bit of hair going on here. So we're just going to ignore that. Yes, I'm going to be late, running late as always. I've got my Diet Coke to take with me. I want to take some snacks, but I don't have any. I might stop at the shop if I've got time, but I'm running late. So let's go and get holiday ready. Probably tomorrow, not me in the queue at McDonald's drive-thru. All this pampering is hard work, I tell you. I'm actually starving. So I've ordered a nugget Happy Meal, and then I'm in the queue, this is embarrassing. I've ordered a chicken nugget Happy Meal and then a Diet Coke. So I'm going to tuck into that, but I'm really happy with my brows and my nails. I'm going to show you properly tomorrow in the morning, because at the moment my makeup's all around my face and it's not a vibe. Oh, I can't wait for this. I was so tempted to get like the McSpicy, McFlurry, all this other stuff, but I had a pizza for my lunch, so I thought it's all about balance. I need to try and get a bit better, but yeah, let me just grab my food. Thank you. Oh, that lady was the cutest. I nearly spilled the drink. She was like, be careful. I think she was American. Okay, that wasn't an American accent. Okay, this is chaotic. Now I'm going to tuck in, so I will continue the vid in the morning. I've also got Charlotte with me, so do you want... it's a spontaneous meet up, but it's now at McDonald's, so I will continue the holiday prep packing vlog in the morning. Hello. So sorry about last night's chaotic vlogging. That is, if you're a regular here, you'll know that is basically just how it is. So I'm really happy with my brows. Got my brows done, and I obviously got my nails done, which you can kind of see. I went for the light pink because I thought that in summer I can get the darker pink, and I actually really like the pastel colours, and then I got a little gem on my ring finger. So today's plan, I'm popping to the shops to do a little bit of last minute shopping. I just kind of want to get some basic, like, I don't know if you see my Zara haul, but I got black tees and I kind of want some white ones to wear when I go to Monaco, because I feel like cargos and like a white little top will be quite cute. And then I'm going to get a Joe and the Juice. Oh, I can't wait. I'm having a Joe's Club. I'm dreaming about it already. But then there's also a food court there, and I really want a Thai curry that I get every time I go there. So I'm thinking, it's currently 2 o'clock. Go to Joe and the Juice first, walk around a bit, work up an appetite, and then I can have my Thai like before I leave for dinner. I'm one of these people that, like, if you know me, you know that food is literally life. Like, all I do is think about what I'm eating next. So that is my plan. Joe and the juice, bit of shopping, finished with a tie, fingers crossed. And then when I come back, I'm going to pack, because I have been thinking about this and trying to think logically about what I can pack, because we're only taking hand luggage. We literally have got, we can take 2 bags each, which for a weekend trip I could probably do. But no, we're just going to take hand luggage so we can get there. Oh, I've got cramp. So we can get there and just basically get cracking. Straight out the airport, straight to the hotel, and then like explore and stuff. So that is the plan. I'm heading there now, and oh, can't wait for my Joe's Club. Oh my god, I'm so excited. So I will see you when we get there. Stop off before we shop. This is the Joe's Club, my absolute favourite. Mum got the same.
Yeah, it's nice. I enjoyed it last time.
And then I got a little power juice. Okay, so it has been 24 hours since I last checked in. So we went and got Joe and the juice, and then I went to Zara and got some of the basic tops I was telling you about, which I was really happy about. But now, as you can see, we are welcome to the carnage, basically. So I've decided to outfit plan, which, especially when I'm only taking hand luggage, I feel like is so important to do. And I'm going to be honest, it's the first time I've done it properly. When I went to Edinburgh with Mum at Christmas, we took a little suitcase each. I took a tote bag, and we checked in one bag, like one small suitcase. Whereas now I'm literally taking this, look. So this is my favourite. It's like a sparkly suitcase. It's from American Tourister. So I'm taking this, and I've basically laid everything out on my bed. Now originally I was going to pack and like run you through it all at the same time. Don't mind me just putting my foot on my bed. But I've decided that that's probably, I'm not going to be able to pack fully until tomorrow, because I've not organised my makeup yet. As I said, welcome to the carnage. So I'm going to show you my outfit plans, because what I've done is I've mixed and matched items, which I feel like is such a good idea. It's only taken me 29 years to figure it out, but I can combine outfits and take half the stuff. So I did write them down on my little notebook. So we are going really early Sunday morning until Tuesday evening. So I've done like plain outfit, outfit for Sunday, outfit for Monday, Monday evening, Tuesday, and then obviously probably just like a hoodie or something if I want to wear something. God, guys, I literally just had the biggest bowl of spaghetti with just like a tomato sauce, and I feel so sick now. I was just saying to Mum, like, I feel really sick. She was like, it serves you right, but honestly I feel very, very unwell, which isn't great. But let me just show you a bag that I picked up yesterday from TK Maxx. It's a 9 West bag, and I got it for £39, but it's like a crossbody. And I thought, you know what, this is perfect because it will fit my camera in, which normally the bags I take out don't. So I thought, well, that's, for starters, that's perfect, because normally I take a tote bag because I don't fit my camera in my small bag, if that makes sense. But it's really cute, and it's got like a side bag, a side strap if you want it, or you can just tuck it in the bag. I really like that. It was giving me designer vibes. And then I picked up 2 little basics from Zara. So this was £7.99, and then I got this one, which was £17.99, I think. Yeah. So I've basically taken both of those with me. So let's start with plain outfit. So I'm packing this jumpsuit from Primark. You've seen it in one of my Primark hauls if you've seen those. It is just literally a black stretchy jumpsuit. I thought it would be really comfy, because I normally just wear leggings on the plane anyway. So I'm going to wear that with my Axel Arigato trainers. Let me just get them out. They're in desperate need of a clean, but these will be the pair of footwear that I take, the only pair of flats I take. The other pair of shoes I'm going to take are a pair of black heels, so literally 2 pairs of shoes for the trip. So I'm going to wear those with the jumpsuit, and then the khaki green blazer from Zara for the plane, and that way I don't have to put this in my case. It's not going to get screwed up. Best thing to do if you're taking a blazer and you don't want it to get creased. So that is my plain outfit. And then for one of my evening outfits, I'm taking my Zara jeans, my trusty Zara jeans, with this white top and again the khaki blazer, or I'm going to take a black one as well, which was £7.99, and that can mix and match with another outfit that I'll show you in a minute. So I've got my jeans, white top and blazer for a day or an evening, which is basically 2 uses of the blazer already. And then when I go to Monaco, I'm going to wear this little white Zara tee with my black cargo trousers that are actually from Primark, but I got these on Vinted for £2. So I'm going to wear those with my trainers. I've got my bras. That's one thing you need to have organised, your bras. And then this blazer from Boohoo, cropped blazer. My theory again, so this is the only one I'm going to have to put in my case, but it won't get too creased. My theory with that being, if I wear the jeans and the black or white top, I can wear that over the top. So I've basically got my kind of like outerwear covered, if you like. So all I'm going to take as like a spare outfit is my Adenola leggings and probably my Adenola hoodie, just in case we have like a rainy or cloudy day, but also for the plane home it'll be comfy. So that's basically outfits. So much easier. Normally, let me just tell you, when I went to Edinburgh, I literally packed about 10 different outfits. Okay, maybe not, about 5 outfits, and we never got to wear half of them. Obviously having things organised like your chargers, passports and things like that is a given, but I also picked up from Primark these packing cubes. So they're £5 for 3 different size ones, as you can see there. So I'm probably not going to take the big one, but the 2 small ones I'll put like underwear in, or makeup, things like that, because like I said, I'm literally just taking this and that side bag from TK Maxx. So I feel like I've got quite a lot of space, considering I only need to now sort out my makeup and my hair stuff. I also picked up from Poundland, had to run and grab it. So from Poundland I picked up for £1 these little travel things, which are so handy. The reason I love this one, I don't know if you can see, is it's got a spray one in it. So for like my makeup setting spray, I can pour some in there and then I've got it. The same if you have any like products that you use on your hair, and then there's the 2 miniature ones. I picked up 2 of those and it comes with a little funnel. And then I picked up this set of hairbands because I've got the black and grey ones from Primark, but this one had a white one. I'm going to be honest, it will stay white for all of about 5 minutes because, like, you know, like you push it back on your face with your makeup. But I thought a white one might look quite cute to take with me, like to wear with the white outfits for Monaco. So we'll see, but I've got those ones as well. And literally, oh, let me show you the heel. Here's the heels. My office heels. That is literally all I need to take. Apart from obviously like makeup and hair stuff, that is all I'm going to take. I'm not even attempting to take spare outfits because there's a Zara opposite our hotel. There is a Zara right opposite. It wasn't intentional, but I'm thrilled about it. So I might want to buy something. So I'm quite happy. This is the first holiday that I've been on where I feel quite organised and like I've done everything like as I should. So outfit planning is key. I've learnt that this time. What I'm going to do is I'm going to pack tomorrow, like proper put it into my case. So I'll do a quick little clip of showing you how much space I've got left in my case, because we are flying with BA and I love their hand luggage allowance. It's so good. So yeah, my case and my little side bag are both fine, which is so much easier when you land because you don't have to then worry about waiting for your luggage. When me and Mum flew to Edinburgh, I don't know if you've seen the Edinburgh vlog, I'll link it below. We literally were waiting for 2 hours when we landed for our baggage, and that was at like 7 o'clock at night, 8 o'clock at night. So we got out of there quite late, we were hungry, we were tired. It just makes sense to just do hand luggage and fly through and you're done and dusted. So I will, oh, bear with, pyjamas. I also got these from H&M. I'm going to link them. If you saw me talk about them in my Primark haul, these are the ones. I probably need to steam them first. They're like linen-y, summery material, summery pyjamas. I just thought these are quite cute. So I'll be taking those jammies with me. And then that is literally it, apart from like underwear. I don't think I've forgotten anything obvious. Literally, I've got my outfits. I've got my bras. I just need to sort out like knickers and stuff. Hair, which is basically straighteners and like toiletries, and my makeup. That is literally all I need to do now. Normally, an hour before we're due to leave for the airport, I'm freaking out thinking, oh my god, I'm so unorganised. But this time I'm all good. So yeah, we will check in once I have finished chucking it all in the case, and then I'm going to vlog the whole trip. So stay tuned for those and let's see how I get on. Okay guys, so I it's chaotic as ever. This side I haven't actually finished yet. I've basically put my shoes and straighteners underneath, my earplugs, eye mask. I need to put my chargers in, but this is all the clothes I'm taking. I've got this the little packing bags with like my underwear and my tops in from Primark, as I showed you. So we are actually fine for space, but as you can tell, I'm ending this vlog rather chaotically because I'm now in a rush. So stay tuned for the vlogs. I'm so excited. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you when we get to Nice.